So, what's good, YouTube? Market is currently closed today because of Jimmy Carter's passing. I guess his funeral today, so they turned off the market executions and stuff like that. Even though the markets are still like actively opening. So today, I'm gonna make a quick little video. Make sure y'all make y'all beds when y'all first wake up. That's the most important thing you can do. Make your bed. It's gonna start off your day real nice, real smooth. Feel me? Like the whole setup and the shebang. But yeah, so I'm gonna be telling y'all how to become a full-time day trader in 2025. And all you gotta do is follow the steps. All you gotta do is follow the steps. And just like me, I don't work a 9 to 5. I just trade, run my chat. And we just hit the first part of monetization. So y'all could join that. I think I put it at $6 a month. If you do join, you get 80% off my Discord, and you get personal videos that I make that's only available for members only. So I will see y'all later in the video. Peace. So remember, bro, I do not recommend becoming a full-time day trader because it's not sustainable, bro. Day trading can take you out 9 to 5 easily because if you're working at McDonald's, you're working at Walmart, making 16, 17 an hour, bro. You can make any amount off the charts. You can get a 1K payout in a week, and that's gonna be over your job. Feel me? So that just goes to show you how important it is to go full time right away. That's why me personally, I'm getting a career. I'm getting a career. I'm going to school, and I'm gonna be day trader, running my chat, doing YouTube still, and I want entrepreneurship to take me out of a career because now I have a set salary. I'm getting paid good, and now I need to work harder for trading to give me to out overpower my career. If I'm working at a minimum wage job where I'm getting 15 an hour, 20 an hour, it don't take me an hour to make 20 minutes on the charts. I done made 105 minutes before. I done made 1,030 minutes. I done did good amount of numbers. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Even before we get into the video, remember, full time is not the end goal. It's to be sustainable. All right, so we're back in the crib. Not gonna lie, I just got me the most flyerest sushi ever. So, I'm finna study some charts, put my calendar together for the students in the Discord, and come up for this weekly call. I'm going to Houston next week, so it's gonna be a different type of schedule in the chat, and I gotta let them know. And then after I get done, we're gonna hit a prayer. Then we're gonna get into the actual video. I will see y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, if you do sub and join the membership chat on the YouTube, you do get 80% off lifetime of your Discord subscription. So I will see y'all, and let's hit this prayer. So let's do this prayer right quick, and we're gonna get into the videos. We're gonna get into the video. Father God, thank you for the blessed our season ones coming to me. Please continue to keep me covered in your blood and keep us safe, me and us, and keep us on the right path that you have set for us. Please fill us with discipline and patience, and stay on path with your journey. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. What's up, YouTube? So, doing a video today on how to become a day trader, a full-time day trader in 2025. So I got a couple steps. I'm going to be explaining each step on how I became a full-time day trader and how you can too this year, being 100% transparent, not selling a dream. And remember, link in bio for the chat below. I do have a free chat, and I do have a premium chat to where you can get one-on-ones, weekly group calls and stuff like that. So if you're interested, down below, the link is in my bio and on this video, and the code is welcome50 for 80% off your first month. I also qualify now for YouTube to have like a group on YouTube. So if you want, it's about $7 a month. You'll get private videos. I'll be doing a private boot camp on there. So if you join, let me know. Comment below that you did join, and I'll see the badges. But getting into the video, how to become a full-time day trader 101. So a lot of people essentially had this dream or this phenomenon of becoming a full-time day trader, and they don't actually understand what the behind the scenes thing about day trading. So I'm here to spill the beans, give y'all the real 100% honest truth of my opinion and my experience of becoming a full-time day trader and how you can do it, and if it's even real. So let's get into it. So first thing is first, get a sustainable career. Anybody can make $1,000 a week for 4 weeks straight for a month. That's 4 bands in a month, and make more than they would be making at McDonald's in a month. You get paid every 2 weeks at McDonald's. Not saying nothing is wrong with that, but you get paid every 2 weeks at McDonald's. Check is about what 1,400 max. You get paid, so that's what 2,800 at McDonald's in a month, and that's on the high end. So boom, you get a funded account. That you can get out of a 9 to 5 very very easily from day trading because it don't take much. At McDonald's, you're looking at roughly around minimum wage to about 14, 15 an hour if you're a regular worker um, starting out. But in trading, you can make you can make your hourly income in seconds, literally in seconds. So that just blows a regular 9 to 5 out the water. Now, if you have a career, you have a set salary. Now you got realistic numbers to work with, because you cannot sustain yourself off a McDonald's job, living in this new economy. So those numbers are low key false, or not. I don't want to say not real, but not realistic in a way to even go off of to compare to how much you need to make off trading, right? So find yourself a nice sustainable career, and you base those numbers off that. So, like for example, I was working at a hospital, making $17 an hour. I was getting like 2,400 a week. I can get a 4K payout in a month and be good for 2 months, way better than my 9 to 5. But now that I'm going to school for radiology, they make about 60 to 70K a year. Now I have real numbers to go off of, looking at about 5 to 6K a month. Now consistently that I have to make off trading for at least a full year for me to feel comfortable about even quitting a 9 to 5. I will have to have multiple incomes coming from YouTube, my chat, my own trading, just multiple streams of income coming in to help me sustain that career monetary POV that I'm looking at. Next, don't try to become a full time day trader. Let it come to you. Even in the Bible, we're supposed to trust in God's timing and let things come to us. And me personally, I honestly feel like it came to me. You know, it most definitely was handed to me, not in the way that I would like, but now I must perform. I'm trusting in God's timing now. Finally, I had a breakdown even last night. I still have breakdowns to this day. I'm just sitting like, bro, I need to go get a job. I need to go get a job. But it's like God is telling me, this is me. This sitting in front of this camera, making content, doing what I'm supposed to do. This is honestly me. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. This is how I'm supposed to be, and I must trust in that. So, not rushing the process and let it come to you is the most vital important part in these steps. So a lot of people jump in straight as a full time day trader or trying to be and don't have no money saved up. They pass a couple fundeds, get big in their head, quit their job. Mind you, a funded certificate does not mean anything. If you're not getting payouts, it does not mean a dime, right? So save up at least 6 to 8 months worth of funds, meaning business expenses. If your rent is 1,000, you want to save up at least 8,000 before you quit your job. 8,000 on top of the rent you're already paying. So if anything happens, you got 8 months ahead. You're 8 months ahead of your monthly expenses. Is what I'm trying to say. When I lost my job and I wasn't able to go back, I had about 4 months saved up. So I was still around that area. I didn't have as much as I wanted, and I didn't have my goals completed that I wanted. But that's what I'm looking at. Having 6 to 8 months of expenses saved up, just in case anything happens. Losing streaks does happen. Mental breakdowns does happen. You tilt, you lose accounts, you blow funded accounts without a payout. All of that stuff does happen. So you must prepare yourself monetarily, financially, mentally, physically, emotionally for those tough L's. Because you got to remember, once you become a full time day trader, everything is on you. Everything. There's no more getting a check every 2 weeks. There's not a guaranteed money coming in. You still got bills. You still got rent. The economy is still going up. So you want to save at least 6 to 8 months up before becoming a full time trader. Boom. Now, on top of that 6 to 8 months being saved up, you want to save up 4 to 5 months just of a backup savings, just in case for emergencies, anything happen. Like your kid might get hurt, you got to pay insurance, anything like that. You want to save up at least 4 to 5 months in a backup savings account on top of the 8 months that you got saved. So essentially a year's worth saved up just in case, because you still need, because the first up here, this is for like real deal emergencies. I mean, real deal bills. We're looking at 8 months worth of bills right here. This is for your bills. Now this down here is for emergencies. If anything happens, you still gotta eat. You still need essentials. Like it's stuff that you're gonna need. Feel me? That you still have to buy. So that's what I'm saying. Save up 4 months of funds in your savings account. Now, me personally, I would like to have at least 3 to 4 fundeds passed with a 5K cushion. So you're looking at 6 to 8 months worth of bills saved up, 4 to 5 months worth of a backup of savings account, and then you have 20K in funding cushion, at least 10K, right? These three together should put you way far off for you to have a whole year worth of. You could lose for a whole year, but your savings are still sustaining you and having you above water. I had about two funded accounts up 10K each before I quit my job, and I was happy I did because I went on a big losing streak. Took a small payout, paid off rent for about 2 months, and now I'm back redoing it. So it's very important that you follow these steps so far that I got listed because it's really setting you up monetary. It's really hard when you don't have the funds and you still trying to make day trading work. And you know you're trading for money because you didn't save up no money for the bills, no money for the rent. I know a lot of y'all still got kids, so feel me, it's a lot that you got to think of when you if you are deciding to become a full time day trader. Live below your means. Live below your means. A lot of people make a lot of money. A lot of people make some money, and they just go crazy. A lot of people just go crazy. They go crazy. They end up buying these designer. They start taking their family on plenty vacations and stuff like that. And mind you, nothing is wrong with that. But when you're doing it constantly, you gotta remember you're still in grind mode. The funding money don't mean nothing to this in your account. You got 8 months of 8 months worth of bills in your account. Mind you, that's supposed to be like as a cushion. You want trading to pay this, and you still have that 8 months, that 4 to 5 months of savings in your account that don't have to be touched because trading is sustaining your bills. Remember, we're trading to get our freedom back. We're not trading to get rich. So next, expand and exercise your money. After you make the money off trading, after you make a good amount off trading, it's okay to invest in something else. It's okay to hop in something else. It's okay to do other things, invest in other stuff to bring in more money. I don't want to trade for the rest of my life. I don't want to trade for the rest of my life. I don't want to stop at trading. I want to go big. I want to do content. I want to do real estate. I want to do trading. I want to do, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff that I want to do that's going to help me bring in money and not have to go back to another career again after I finish school. Work for about 2, 3 years. You know what I'm saying? I had to realize I'm only 22. I'm 22 with a kid. It's okay to go spend 2 years to finish school. It's okay to work with your career. You know what I'm saying? For 3 to 4 years, 2, 3 years. I'll only be 26 after this plan. After I graduate school, I'm 22. I'll be 24. Work 2 years, I'll be 26. I'm still young in turn. Feel me? It's okay to take a detour plan. You don't have to be like everybody else on social media. You don't have to like I said, you don't have to be like everybody else on social media. Lamborghini, high rise apartment. Like no, I live in a high rise, yes, but I'm not trying to get a Lamborghini. I'm not trying to get a Huracan. I'm not trying to get a G wagon. Like I just want freedom for me and my son and the family that I'm building. Keep a part time job, bro. Nothing is wrong with keeping a part time job because you gotta think. Imagine you find a part time job, right? On top of your 6 to 8 months saved, your 4 to 5 months saved, and your 20K in cushion. You can work the weekends because what else are you doing? You're not busy. You just became a full time day trader. You're not busy. You have time on the weekends to go work a part time. It's okay to work. I don't know what put y'all in this mindset of working is lame. Working is not lame. Money is not lame. Now trading your time for money is lame. I feel like, but nothing is wrong with going to go get a part time to keep yourself afloat. Like I said, some of y'all got kids, and y'all have full time trader dreams. You got to go. We have to go a detoured route. We have to go a detour route. It's not gonna be the same as everybody else's. and it's not gonna be the same as everybody else's. So these are my steps to becoming a full-time day trader. Realistic steps, by the way. It's none of that stuff that all the other gurus putting out, whatever. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate and I love the support. Thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.